Howdy Wall Street Willie, what are TIPS? TIPS, or Treasury Inflation-Protected Securities, are a type of U.S. government bond that are designed to protect investors from inflation. Unlike regular bonds, TIPS principal, also known as par value or face value, increases alongside inflation, ensuring your investment maintains its purchasing power over time. They are issued in 5, 10, or 30-year maturities and pay a fixed rate of interest every 6 months on the adjusted principal. TIPS are backed by the U.S. government, meaning there's no risk of losing the principal, making them one of the safest investments. How exactly do TIPS protect against inflation? TIPS match the Consumer Price Index, CPI, that tracks the everyday cost of living using a basket of goods and services. When the index rises, indicating inflation, so does TIPS principal amount. Similarly, when the index falls, indicating deflation, so does the TIPS principal amount. Since the interest is paid on the adjusted principal amount, this allows TIPS to provide higher interest during periods of high inflation, as well as maintain the value of your investment, no matter how high inflation is. At the same time, although the interest payment can be lower if the adjusted principal falls below the original price of TIPS, the principal amount itself is protected, as the investor will never receive less than the original price when redeemed at maturity, no matter how low the adjusted principal is. Can you give me an example? Suppose you own $10,000 of TIPS at an interest rate of 5%. If there is no inflation or deflation that year, you will receive $500 in interest for that year. But if the inflation is 3%, the principal will be adjusted to $10,300, and you will receive an interest of 5% on that, which is $515. On the other hand, if there is deflation of 2%, the principal will be adjusted to $9,800, and you will receive $490 in interest. At the time of maturity, you will receive your original investment of $10,000 if the current adjusted principal amount is lower, say $9,800. And if the adjusted principal amount is higher than the original $10,000, say $10,300, you will receive $10,300. How can I buy and sell TIPS? TIPS can be bought directly from the U.S. government at treasurydirect.gov or in the secondary market. You can also invest in a mutual fund or ETF that focuses on TIPS, which can offer an easier way to add TIPS to your portfolio. They can be sold in the secondary market or redeemed at the time of maturity. When redeemed, you would get the current or the original principal amount, whichever is higher. Should I invest in TIPS? That's a great question, Super Cooper. Watch the video on your screen to find out. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.